welcome to my channel. This is Angeli Bailey. So today we had a snowy day yesterday. I think we had 10 inches of snow. So that's the most snow I had since I've been here in the US. And I've been here 6 years, so now we're just enjoying it. This is James. Hi, James. Hi. Yeah. We're just having a snow day fun. Snow day fun, huh? Snow day in Virginia. So usually living in the south, like southern part of southern eastern part of United States, we don't usually have a lot of snow. We usually get once or twice. We're just enjoying a snowy day today. Yesterday we had a tremendous amount of snow. I think we had about 8 to 10 inches of snow. So today we're just enjoying. Where did you put your hat? Go get your hat, please. Yeah, you cannot be without a hat because we're gonna get sick. Yep. I guess we're gonna go get the chicken and I guess we're gonna go check on the chickens and then we're gonna go in. It's because we've been here for about half an hour now and James really hey sweetheart, come on, might get sick. Like I said, our body is not really like It's very windy too, guys. I think it's only 25 right now, 25 Fahrenheit. So just wait to check on them. Yeah, they're doing alright. They're doing fine. Hi, chickens. Yeah, they're doing alright. I think they're doing fine. And let's see the other chickens. They don't really like to walk on the snow. I think their feet get so cold, so they stay mostly in their house. Hi, chickie. Yeah, hi, chick. So we have 11 chickens, but one of our chicken. Hi. So one of our chicken got killed yesterday by a hawk. So we only have 10 chickens now. James, leave them alone. Don't harass them. Let's go. They're all right. I guess we can go. Say hi to the chickens. Hi. Say hi, chickens. Yeah. Is that your chickens? Quick, quick. What the chickens do? They're pretty chickens. They're giving us eggs, right? The chickens giving us eggs. Yeah, those are chickens. Say bye-bye to the chickens. They're all right. I guess we're gonna go leave them. No, you don't close their house. It's because they have to go out and drink some water. Let's go. No, they're fine. They're fine. Bye, chickie. Okay, we're gonna go check on the other chickens, and we're going. So you can see their house is all covered by the snow. So they're cold too. They get cold too, like us. Hi, chickies. Yeah, they're chickens. So we have about 2 roosters and 8 hens. So most of our chickens, guys, we hatch them and raise them by ourselves. And most of the mama, they give us good eggs, and we eat fresh eggs every day. Say bye, chickens. Say bye, chickens. Okay, let's go. No, you don't close their house, honey, because they need to go out too. Maybe they want some sun, right? Okay, let's go. No, don't close their house. Okay, James is trying to close their house. Okay. Okay, maybe close the other house too. You want to close the other house? No. Okay, let's go. There's Willow. Okay, you're a good boy. You're a good helper. You're helping Mama, huh? Okay, that's fine. Closing it up. Okay. And there's our doggies. Snuggle is sneaking up on Willow. They're good doggies. Come on, James. Let's go this way. Come on, guys. Now we're going in, sweetie. Are you not cold? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, see? Can you stand up? So James wants to walk around, I guess, a little bit before we go in. Oh my goodness, so be careful, sweetheart. There's a lot of things here you cannot see because they're covered by the snow. Yeah, that's Daddy's tractor. Yeah, that's Daddy's tractor. Yeah, Daddy's tractor. Yeah, he loves tractor and excavator because my husband's have excavator and stand up, and tractors. That's why he likes it. So by the way, guys, we live in countryside in Virginia, so we have all kinds of animals like chickens, some fish, but we don't have pigs or anything like that. And also we have a lot of equipment because we live in a farm. So as you can see over there, so we live in a farm. So all of this right here, that's our field, or part of our property, or part of our farm that get planted in the summer. So most of the time our farmer plants some soybeans and or cotton or corn. So we're going in because James is getting cold and I am getting cold too. Maybe we'll warm up and get some. You want some warm milk? Or maybe I'll have me some tea. Yeah, this is just my day to day. I'm just hanging out and playing with the snow.